All right guys, I'm going to show you how to take a door panel off of a 2023 Audi e-tron GT. So it's a lot of videos out there of the front door, but nobody has visual and everything of the rear door. So I'm going to do the visual of the rear door. So first things first, you want to remove this piece right here. What I got to do with that is a right angle little pick tool, and typically what I do is I come back here, kind of pull forward just like so, and then kind of pull, just pull straight out with it. It comes straight out, boom. So got that piece out. See the little clips and tabs on the back side. So remove that one. Then you got a little screw right behind there, little screw. And then the next thing we want to move is the speaker cover right here. So behind the speaker cover is one screw. The speaker cover is a little flimsy. Let me get a plastic clip tool. So when I'm doing the speaker cover, I kind of want to tend to go down like right in the corner right here so it doesn't leave any damage. Kind of pull out, then I'll take my plastic clip tool and kind of slide back behind there so I don't leave any indentions in the thing, and then kind of just pry it forward. It's like so. It's gonna seem like you're gonna break it, but you're not gonna break it. You just gotta trust the process. So what I do is I pull, just keep pulling this. It feel like you're gonna break it, but you're not. Just keep pulling. So top go first, and then we pull out the bottom just like so. All right, so that's out. All the tabs just pull straight out. All right, and then you see your screw right here, screw right there, and then we got a screw right here. So we got a screw right here and then a screw right here. So there's one more screw in the door panel, which is right behind this piece right here. So what you want to do is you want to grab your tool. So I'll slide like right, we'll get your plastic tool, plastic clip tool, slide right in between here. See that? And then you come forward with it. Just pry it straight, try to get it straight out as much as you can. See, just like that, it releases it, comes right out. And then we have a screw right back there. See if I can get a light so I can show you guys. So light, screw, the screw is right up in there, screw there, screw there. So as you see, we got a screw right up in there, screw there, and screw there. So look at these screws out of here. These screws are, should be a T25. Yep, all these screws are T25s. So we're gonna remove those out. That one's out. That one's out. Grab a magnet. One screw. Two screw. Three screw. So now all three of those screws are out. Now we can pry the door panel off of it, off of the panel. So typically when I do pry the door panel off, I'll go back here behind it, like slide a little piece of plastic in there behind it and kind of just pry up. We got one snap out. This lens cover just popped out, but that's no biggie. I think it just came off. It just popped out of there. Yeah, it just popped off. So don't worry about that. Oh, I see right here it got damaged. See the door panel is chipped right here. So this door got pushed in so hard that it like right here, it cracked. It pushed this against something and broke it. Oh yeah, I don't see what it pushed it against, but it definitely pushed it against something. And then we got some broken clips on this thing, which we'll have to replace as well for this repair. Oh, and the side skirts have to be repaired. and right here has to be repaired. So, but the door panel is good, it's loose, so it can come right out. Just like that, lift up. You got this little thing right here. And then this is where the right angle pick tool comes in handy. Kind of pull these safety levers back and just push the tab and pull out. This one. Cool. So we got that out. And then as for door panel, or not the door panel, but door handle. Door handle, you're gonna access this little port right here. Pull that right out. And it's a T25 back down in there. It might be a T, actually that's a T20, I'm sorry. I bet that's what it is. It's a T20, that's why it's not going in there. All right. Okay, so now what you want to do, if you turn it all the way until it stops, it's going to stop itself. So you just want to turn until it stops itself. Boom, it stopped. Now what you want to do is you want to push in on this. So push in towards the door handle, like so. Boom. Now I released it. I should be able to go right here with my plastic tool and then just pry this baby. See, hold the door handle out. Hold the door, so when you push in, pull the door handle out, the door handle stays out like that. And that gives you the chance to allow to work that out. And on the door handle, you just want to slide directly back, boom. All right, so now the door handle is released, but we still got wiring issues in here because where wiring is pretty tight. So we want to go into the back side and release that wire. So what we do right there is, okay, so we pull this thing down and just pull it out. It's just stuffed up in there. And you can just push that right through, just like that. Take that out completely. And then what we have in here is, right here, is the door handle. It's got a safety lever. So we pull that and then pull that off, like so. And then we have another. Okay, so this one, just gotta pull up on it, like, you know, pull up on it. And then this one got a safety lever. You gotta push down and it'll lift up. What I mean by pull up on it is you push down and it'll lift. See how it lifts it up? All right, so now this door handle is completely loose. So come back to the front side and you wanna wiggle. Just kind of slide it back and wiggle at the same time, just like that. Door handle's fully out. All right, that's how you remove the door handle and the door trim off of a 2023 Audi e-tron GT rear door. And also for the door trim, all you have to do is just lift straight up on it, just like this. Just lift straight up, just like that, and right out. All right. So the easy little R9 D trim for the rear door.